Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hey guys, so in this video I'm going to present and explain about our business plan with my partner, which is Muhammad Najmi and AZIE BINTI Muhammad YUSOF, which our business will be about authentic peace. Talking about authentic peace, it will be about a store with a cafe and barber in it, that we apply a barber because we need a conducive place for a customer of the barber to wait in a place that are very conducive, and they can taste our product while waiting for their turn to get their haircut done. So our mission or objective, our objective of the authentic piece, it will be to create a very conducive place to the student, which is why we say student, which our authentic piece will be located at Kota Baru, Pangkalan Cepa Kota Baru at Kelantan, which is near to the University Malaysia Kelantan. So the target market absolutely will be the student. And our authentic piece will be mainly focused on food service. And we also got our own logo, which is authentic peace, the taste of peace, which our motto will be the taste of peace. Why? Because go to the objective, we are creating conducive place to the student or the customer to feel a peace in a place for their to grow their skill on anything that they want to learn. So for the shareholders, it will be me, Yunus will be the CEO, which is Chief Executive Officer, and Muhammad Najmi will be the General Manager, and another one, our partner, will be Secretary, which is AZIE Binti Muhammad Yusof. Also add to the number of our staff, it will be 5 workers working as a barber and a barista, which we only need 2 for the barber and 3 for the barista for the coffee making. And for the schedule of remuneration, which is salary, CEO will be getting 6,325 ringgit Malaysia. Secretary will be getting 4,866 ringgit Malaysia, and the general manager will be getting 5,750 ringgit Malaysia. Total will be 16,941 ringgit Malaysia. That will be the salary payment for the workers of our authentic piece. And if we go for our authentic piece administrative expense budget, our office equipment budget will be 31,983. It was a fixed assets for our business or for our store, which is authentic piece. And for the monthly expenses, we add office rental 1,500, office telephone bill, office electric bill, office water bill, and refreshment. All total will be 19,941, include salary. And for the other expenses will be business license and registration, which will be 500 ringgit Malaysia, and other office maintenance will be 500 ringgit Malaysia. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Najmi bin RAHMAN. My matric number A18B0375. Okay, today I will explain about the business strategic planning. Okay, for our market, we have choose Pangkalan Cepa Kota Baru because they have all category of people, and they would like to taste a premium coffee. Okay, for our market size, we have calculate that year 2020 they have 348,000 people. So we have estimate that 30% people like to drink coffee. So after make a calculation, they will buy a coffee 2 times a month. So the unit for a month 280,800. Okay, then and market size, for total market size we got 2,088,000 ringgit Malaysian. Okay, so for our computer we have just coffee machine, box 26 cafe, Jiwa Coffee and Binsu as our competitor. So market size, coffee machine 50%, box 26 cafe 30%, Jiwa Coffee and Binsu 20%. After we came into this market, we will get coffee machine 45%, box 26 cafe 25%, Jiwa Coffee and Binsu 10%, and our authentic piece 20%. So for our market budget of authentic piece, it include vehicle advertising, market, public relations, signboard, road tax and maintenance. The total will be 35,600.
My name is AZIE binti Muhammad Yusuf. My matrix number is A18A0079. So I will present my part, which is operations plans. As we know, operations planning is the everyday workflow of the business. So for the operations process, our company, namely Authentic Space, was selling a great coffee. They have a 7-step how to make a great coffee. Firstly is grind the coffee. Grinder will control how fine the espresso. Second step is prepare the milk. A great rules of following is need 6 ounces of the milk per ounce of the brewing espresso. 3 is steaming the milk. Pour the dessert amounts of the mix into the metal pitcher. Next is measuring the coffee of the latte. Measuring of 18 until 21 grams of the ground coffee. Other than that, times the coffee. Grounds the espresso into the machines for the filters using espresso tempers. The sixth step is make the espresso shoot. Press the brewing buttons into the machines to start making the shoot. The last step is pour the steam mix of the espresso. For the capacity plannings of the production's coffee is RM 40,760 cups of the coffee per monthly demands, and for RM 1,606 cup per day. So we have 3 suppliers, which is Coffee Rusa Enterprise, AB Sales and Service, and Zios dan Berhad. So our monthly operations cost is firstly raw materials, which is RM 30,231 ringgit. Second is salary and wage is RM 6,600, and our overhead cost is 3,700. Okay, for the machines and equipments is RM 22,410, and for the operations budget is RM 49,692 ringgit. Thank you.
Okay, for the financial planning, we have calculate startup cost for administrative, marketing and operation expenditure for every month in 2020 until 2025 for 5 years. Okay, and then we have include the sale and purchase for 5 years in financial plan. Also for break-even sale, we have made the calculation and got 23,292 ringgit Malaysia. That's all.